Welcome to Manila. Lockdown. ECQ Enhanced Community Quarantine 2021. Today I am out doing what most folks call run and gun shooting, but what I kind of like to call run and fun shooting, because it's here in the Philippines and you all know it's more fun in the Philippines. No, seriously though, I shoot a lot of content on the channel that I simply can't show you on public YouTube, like my Manila After Dark series. Oh boy. But if you'd like to have an opportunity to see what's really going on in Manila, feel free to take a shot at joining my channel as a member, right? There's 3 tiers. You can join my channel for as low as 47 pesos a month. Yeah. Seriously though, every little bit helps. And serious about the run and gun shooting, you know, it's very simple. I just like to consider it any kind of photography or videography in an environment where you cannot control the factors of the environment, right? Like sound, noise, light, people. But again, that's sort of what makes it so fascinating and interesting at the same time. So really, hope you enjoy this little tour of Pembo today, Pembo Makati. It's one side of Taguig, BGC, as opposed to Sembo, which is the other side, which is where I usually go to shoot. But, hello, kumusta? In a couple hundred years, I don't know, 500 years, 1,000 years, archaeologists are gonna dig one of those Anchor shields up and they're gonna be completely baffled. They're gonna be like, what purpose could this have possibly served in their society? Because, well, they're gonna try to make deductions based on things like logic, physics, need, right? Maybe the little symbol that they have on the back of it. I don't know. Because if you don't know what the Anchor shield is, it's designed to prevent transmission of viral particulates, virions if you may, from either the rider to the passenger, or maybe even the passenger to the rider. Although if you think about the way the air flows when you're riding, that might be less likely. I don't know, you know. But what I do know is that it seems to follow the same logic as this. All right? I think this might be the only country in the world that requires people to wear a face shield and a face mask just to leave their house. I don't know, maybe someone owns stock in a face shield company, who knows? Bonifacio in Taguig is a barangay, and you have Bonifacio Global City, and you also have the rest of Taguig. Would you rather shop here or in the market? How you doing, man? Oh, you want a shot? No? Okay. Take that. Cool. People are always super friendly back here. I think that's why I like it so much. Hello. They're actually pretty nice. Any house with a deck, you know, I like. I don't do a lot of shopping, but if I did, I'd be shopping back here. all off the main strip. There's just tons of residential areas that are just set back that basically make up most of Taguig. You want a cheap room near BGC? Or you just want to disappear off the grid forever in the Philippines? Yeah, a little rent like that. No track and trace, baby. Now I'm crossing over into Pembo Makati, which is on the downtown side of BGC, whereas Pembo Makati is on the uptown side of BGC. Nice private house set back here. More of these low-key apartment buildings on this side. You know, a lot of the folks that work in the call centers in BGC end up renting places like this. I mean, that is nice new construction right there. Yeah, I've said this before. Sometimes I'm amazed that the Philippines isn't just one gigantic house fire. But this is always sad. Cool, really cool old house back there. That huge wraparound porch on the top. Safety first. That's pretty fat. Haircut for 100 pesos for a guy. I think I could use a fade. Man, I really thought that stuff was like lentils and legumes and things like that. But the closer I look, I think it's like bird feed, animal feed, dog food. So I have definitely developed a couple of top rules for what most people call run and gun shooting. Here in the Philippines though, I would have never found that mural if I hadn't just been open to looking around. I almost didn't walk down this little street, but there was something about the way the bougainvillea flowers were framing the street sign, and I thought I'd just check it out. Now that's my kind of shop. Can't beat 3 lemons for $1. Remember, this is lockdown. This is ECQ. That's a cool building. I would totally live there. It's pretty cool. Decal shop. Nice garden porch up there. Another cool roof deck spot. Right in the heart of the barangay, baby. That is definitely my kind of barbershop. I noticed they were doing a beer and barbershop in BGC, but nah, I'm down with a bong barbershop any day of the week. I'm almost positive that is the church that Nikki and I went to a year or two ago for her cousin's kid's christening. Is that like her sister's brother's cousin? And you know what? Now that I see the bakery, it's definitely the spot. I remember that. And it makes me wonder if I took a wrong turn somewhere, because I have no idea how I got here. Luckily, there's lots of tricycles out today. Whenever in doubt, tricycle. Yeah, I took a wrong turn somewhere. I see the signs for the bed spacers, female bed spacers, only $2,000 a month, and it's a lockdown special, right? They're giving you a break on your deposit, and gas stove, plenty of water, refrigerator, freezer, Wi-Fi. $2,000 a month, right next to BGC, baby, and you only have to share a room with 3 to 6 people. Not bad. See what I mean? You just need a room so you can work your call center job here in BGC, but you don't want to pay BGC prices. I mean, $2,000 a month, that's what, 40 bucks? That's not bad.